How to use the keying tool in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color page. Here, the key tab in the middle panel has all the keying controls. Inside the key tab, you will see key input controls like gain, offset, blur radius, and blur horizontal or vertical. These help you clean and soften the area you want to remove. You can switch between matte and max views and use the key button to see your selection clearly. Next, the key output section has gain and offset controls that adjust the final look of your marks before applying it. Use matte or max views here too, so you know exactly what you are changing. The qualifier section has gain and offset settings as well, with matte, max, and key buttons. These help fine-tune the color selection and improve how well the keying works on your clip. To start, use the qualifier eyedrop to pick the background color you want to remove, usually green or blue. Then, use the key input and qualifier controls to clean and perfect your marks edges. And that's it. Now you know how to use the keying tool in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.